language? Let's search. Or if you can't find anyone, just talk to yourself. That's a good way too. Or you can talk to your family in Korean, although family are one that always don't help you learn something somehow. Have you been using ChatGPT? Use your voice recognition if you have the Korean keyboard and then see how ChatGPT reacts. When you use AI, you have to give a specific direction with detailed information. For example, you say you want to have a Korean conversation, but as you're a beginner, have a ChatGPT speak simple or easy words. That way, you can have a little chit-chat with AI. 조언 6. Earlier I said if you're a beginner, practicing Korean with dramas and movies are not really a good idea. Then you can learn Korean through song lyrics. That's another way how I learned English back in middle school. If you are between basic and intermediate level, then start watching K-movies and dramas to pick up some expressions, how the expressions are pronounced, and watching the video with your mother tongue and Korean subtitle. There are some expressions that you want to learn, then write it down, keep practicing speaking out loud. But here the point is, watching the whole video, the whole movie or whole episode is not really efficient. You enjoy watching each episode, but to practice Korean, you just choose one specific scene. Could be 1 minute or 2 minutes. You can learn some vocabulary and expressions. And later, remove all the subtitles and here. See if you can understand 100%. Even 80% is great. And now you move to the next scene. That's how you practice a foreign language with visual materials. 조언 7. Me, Arusa, is your Korean partner. So when you are stuck somewhere, somehow the dictionary doesn't seem to be working, helping, ChatGPT doesn't understand what you're saying, Papago or Google Translation sounds a little bit funny, then I'm here. Whenever you have some questions regarding Korean language, then please ask me in the comments. I love to get questions regarding Korean. I'm telling you, there are only a few viewers or subscribers who utilize me as a Korean partner. I welcome your questions. I love to answer them. For real! 진짜요. And the last but not least, 조언 8. Don't be too fixated with grammar. Don't be obsessed with grammar. Learning a simple principle, how to make past tense, future tense, well, this kind of thing is necessary, but when there are some irritating grammar elements that hinder you and end up making you give up learning Korean, just let it go. Because at times, it takes a little time for you to understand the grammar rules. When it comes to a certain element of grammar, somehow time helps you learn it. Like I keep mentioning to you, English prepositions were pain in my neck and I overcame it over time. And Korean particles are extremely tricky, sometimes almost impossible to understand at some point. So at this moment, if you have no idea how to use the particle, just let it go. But instead, just practice simple sentences, simple example sentences, and let's be happy with that. Even if you get it wrong and you speak incorrectly, people don't judge you. When communicating with Koreans, we see people trying to speak in Korean. Your effort interacting in Korean, we appreciate it. It's super cute when you make mistakes. It's not something that people judge you, that you didn't study hard enough. Never. And those mistakes will be fixed over time as time goes by. So hopefully my 9 pieces of advice are helpful for you to keep going with this journey to learn Korean. I'm here for you. Feel free to ask me any questions. It can be Korean language, Korean culture, Korean whatever, except for K-pop. I'm not really aware of K-pop stuff, unfortunately. And if you have any friends who are interested in learning Korean, please welcome on my channel. 시청해주셔서 감사합니다. 안녕. Thanks for watching. Bye.